Have you ever thought about how to make a juice dispenser with Arduino? This is a circuit of the vending machine. So let me show you how it's working now. And there are 4 buttons for moving to the next menu and changing the liquid quantity for our vending machine. So right now you can see that the liquid A is 30 milliliters that is appearing on the LCD. We can change this value by going to the edit menu. And if I press this button, this blue button, I will go to the edit menu. Now you can see that the inner 2 buttons will be used to change the value. So if I press the blue button again, it will increase the value. If I press the red button, it will decrease the value. And if I will press the green button, it will save the value. So now the value has been saved. And if I want to move to the next liquid, I can press this green button. And if I want to move to a back previous liquid, I can press this yellow button. So any liquid, we can edit the value of that liquid anytime by going to the edit and changing their value and then saving it.